it's Preston from Slime Miners, and I'm back with another Hunger Games, and it is new. Yeah, it's new. There's 2 new maps, 2 new, the chest actually restocked finally. I've been waiting all years and all the days for this update. It's amazing, beautiful, perfect, all of that good words. And I'm doing this Hunger Games to, thank Landon. He liked and subscribed like almost all our videos. He's just been a real support to the channel. So thank you, Landon, and I hope this Hunger Games suits you well. And, well, let's get started and kill some people. Let's see what I get. Okay. Oh, come on, nothing. Woohoo! Good start of the game. Ugh. Don't you hate that? You get nothing from spawn. It drives you insane. Are you kidding me? I have the worst luck ever. Whenever I'm not recording, I have good rounds, but whenever I am recording, for some reason, the computer hates me. Okay, well, let's see if we can turn this frown upside down. Haha. Lol. Okay. Wow. Oh, gosh. Punch. Punch. Okay. How did that happen? Oh my gosh. What the heck happened? If you guys had, know any reason why the heck that happened, please post in the comments, because I would love to know. She just died. I have no clue how and why, but she died somehow. It was amazing, but I kind of feel bad, because what did I do? Oh, well, he's screwed. Hi, you're dead. Hi, you're dead. How you doing, Death? Meet the sword of death. Die. Ooh, I heard that firework. Haha, I have a stone sword to match that. In your face, loser. Okay, coast is clear. I still have no idea how that girl just got her butt kicked by a fist, but I kind of like it. It's like the bomb around. Boom, boom, bomb around. Anywho. Oh, come on. I did not want to do that. I didn't at all. Okay, see. My mind is just bobbling right now. How the heck did that girl die? My gosh. Oh my gosh. So yeah, please post in the comments why you think that little lady died so tragically and how. I seriously don't know how the heck that happened. Okay, he stopped pursuing. I'm gonna go for the kill. Yeah, that's right. I'm a better PvPer than you. Hey, I saw you. I saw you. You're dead. You're a dead man. You're a dead man. What the? Sometimes I feel like I'm just untouchable. Could it be? 'Cause I am? Whoop! Oh yeah, almost all chain. Well, it basically is, but better. Whoop. Okay, so, Landon, I hope this suits you well. It's been a pretty weird round, I guess you could say. 'Cause somehow that girl just died. Oh, how does he have a horse? Oh yeah, it's a kid. that kid's OP right now. That's OP. Do I have a bow? Ooh, I do. Nying. Ah. Nying. Yes, nailed him. Oh come on, I missed. arrows? How? Ugh! I hate when I run out of arrows. Why? Why me? Oh, that horse guy's gonna make it to me. Man, this is awesomest than awesomer itself awesome. Oh, come on. Get out of here, Soul Sand. You're driving me crazy. Stone sword. Woohoo. Whoop-de-doo. Hiya. Oh, ground pound. Oh, gosh. It's the double team, the double team. Whoa! Woo! Oh gosh, regenerate, come on. Woo, baby! That was scary. Yeah, I'm gonna back off from them a little bit till that was almost gonna be a game changer right there. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. I just need arrows. Come on, peeps. All this thing needs is sponsorships. Woo! That would be awesome. Oh god. Come on. Where are these peeps? Oh, there's a guy over there. Did I get him? Did I get him? I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna go get him. Hat, you missed. Out, you hit me. Out, you hit me again. Woo! Deflected. Ow. 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 How's he hitting me from that far away? Question. I'd like to know how he's hitting me from that far away. Ugh. Regenerate. Come on. Faster. Whoop. Haha. That ground pound is amazing. Doobity boop 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 boop. On an adventure, the thingamajigger is running away. Where are you? Where are you? I know you're here. You wanna just give up like that? Ooh, he's going for the cuts though. Oh, chests have refilled. Okay then. Arrows. Okay, food. Woohoo. Arrows. Oh, come on! Hi, there are 3 people that spawn right now. Oh gosh. I'm not gonna get in there. Yeah, I'm running. Bye-bye. 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 I'm not gonna deal with this problem. Woo! Why was I singing? That was weird. That was strange. Oh, come on. Yeah. Yeah, you're faster than me, but I just got the hits. Oh, come on. Why me? Come on. This is lame-o, bro. Did they get, like, all of these chests? Oh, come on. You didn't leave me any loot. How? What a good citizen. Not. Come on. Well, someone died. And there's the order, but the supply drop is... Oh, gosh. Ooh. That was scary. That was scary. That was so scary. Yeah, sure. Rub that kit in my face. Woo! Oh, dang it. Well, I hope you liked the video, Landon. And please tell your friends and all those people you hate, people you love, all those people. Maybe even the friendly hobo. Ha. Don't tell the friendly hobo. He'll probably just jab you. Anywho, yeah, hope you liked the video. See you guys later. Thank you guys again. Make sure to slap that like button. Wait, no, sorry. Punch that like button with your foot. I don't even know if that's possible, but who cares? Anywho, yeah, so guys, see you later. Thanks for watching. Should I stay? No. Well, guys, see you later. Bye-bye, people.